Hello again. I just wanted to do a second video to show you a little bit about how the flow of information is going to work in the course, and a little bit about course organization generally. Um, I got a few questions from people, and I know some of you may be used to using e-learning, and this is quite a different system than e-learning. I've got a rationale on my intro page, I think, about why I prefer blogs to e-learning. Basically, e-learning to me feels like a very institutional type site where you're posting things, you're sending things off. It just feels like a sterile environment compared to what we could do on blogs. I really like the fact that students have their own blog spaces that are their writing spaces, that I'm visiting rather than, they're, um, you know, uploading documents in a institutional kind of way. So anyway, but there is some things to get clear, especially as I say, if you're um, experienced with e-learning and maybe not so much with blogs. The two systems have no connection. I do have a little, as you may have seen if you first got into the course through um, e-learning, I do have a announcement there that sends people to the blog. But once you get this link here, you don't need to get into Access BCC to access the blog. You don't. There's no connection, between BCC and the course blog. It's a separate thing. So you just need this address. Um, Once you do the join a class um, step, which I explain in this page about setting up your own blog. Many of you have done that already, but here it talks about uh, how to do that. And shoot me an email if you have any problems following how to do it. But the important thing to notice here is that when you're searching for the class blog, all you're going to use is this visionary women. Just search for that without a space in the middle, and it should pop up, and you should see something to click that says send a request to join. Once you do that, and let me get into, um, I think Alexis has done it. Once you do that, join a class. Let me get into, and it will take a little. I have to approve the request, so sometimes it's a little bit of a time lag depending on when you do the send a request to join. As of Friday morning, I've um, accepted the requests of everyone that's joined it. But once you do that, you'll get a link here that says view class blog. So you won't have to remember visionarywomen.edublogs.org. Once you can get into your own blog, you can click on this view class blog and it brings you right there. So all you'll need to remember is edublogs.org, and then you'll sign in. That'll bring you to your own blog, and then if you get in the dashboard of your own blog, you can get to the course blog. Or as I say, especially if you're using your own computer, um, so that these things get saved, usually you'll just have to type the beginning of it and the rest of it will pop up. Okay, so let's see. Once you get your blog set up, you were supposed to email me the URL, which again, many of you have done, and then I'm adding your link here. Um, Notice again that there are 3 different sections for each of my courses. And that'll clicking on each of these links brings you to that person's blog, either you or whoever clicks on it. That's the main way I'm going to read your work. So you'll go to the course blog, you'll see the assignment for the week. In this case, it's on this Welcome to College Writing for the first week. This is the blog tour that I just did, so if you're having any problems finding things, be sure to look at that. It's about 15 minutes. Sorry, I couldn't be a little more concise, but look through that. So you have to read this paper versus screen and then post a comment. and then once you get set up your own blog, and then do your first post. So you read the information, do whatever you need to do for the week's assignment. Generally, it will involve posting something on your blog. Not necessarily every week for the face-to-face class, but the online class will probably have at least one post to do a week. You don't need to let me know when it's posted. You don't need to send me the link. Once I have the link of your blog, you see your name here. All I'm going to do when I'm ready to read and respond and grade assignments, all I need to do is go down this list and click on each person's name and go to their blog. And if it's there, I'll comment on it or grade it, whatever the case may be. If it's not, you know, that's the only way I'm going to get your work is through looking at, generally speaking, through looking at your blog. So there is some information, be sure that you're familiar with. I'll go to the online version here. And that's in terms of how things are going to go for a particular assignment in terms of rough drafts and final drafts. So there is information somewhere here. You will post rough drafts for the essays as well as more informal writing on an individual blog that you'll set up. So that should be done, or hopefully will be done shortly. And then I'll just go to your blog to access the information. Rough drafts will get commented on by me and hopefully by at least one other person in the class. I'll assign peer review partners, or we'll have peer review groups, and you'll make comments on each other's essays. And everybody will be able to see those comments. If there's something, we'll talk about tone, we'll talk about how to be helpful but honest, polite but pointed in your comments. But if there's something, for example, sometimes I'll see somebody's rough draft and I'll notice that there's some unintentional or intentional sometimes, but often it's unintentional plagiarism where the student really doesn't understand how to cite their sources correctly. I'll see patches that seem to have been copied from original sources. That sort of comment that I feel a student might be embarrassed if somebody else saw, perhaps, potentially. If I have any comments like that to make that I think, you wouldn't want everybody to be able to see, I'll send those to you in email. So similarly, if you're doing a peer review on somebody else's work and you see some issue and you don't really know how to talk about it in a way that seems kind, helpful. Sometimes in those cases, rather than post something that has the risk of seeming nasty, just send me an email and we can talk about through email, or you can catch me if you're in my face-to-face class, just catch me before or after class, and we can talk about how you might phrase that comment, and we can maybe smooth things over. But generally speaking, the comments on rough drafts will go on the blog. And you can see an example of it. I thought I would show you. This is from last semester. Don't get dizzy as I scroll up. So this was an essay. It was a different sort of course. So this isn't an assignment you're going to be doing, but the student has posted this rough draft. And then I read the essay and posted a peer review. So this is the typical kind of peer review I'd post. I'll leave it here on the screen for a second. In my comments, I'm not going to be identifying all your spelling mistakes or sentence fragments. I'm not really focusing on identifying mistakes to be fixed. I'm responding to the writing that's there, identifying what I think is praiseworthy, and then giving some questions and comments to help you move the essay along from this rough draft towards a more final draft. So I'll ask questions to help you, hopefully to help you clarify what you have to say, consider possibilities for reorganizing the essay to make it more clear to follow. Perhaps suggestions where you could add detail to make things more vivid or more convincing. Okay, so that's the first draft. Her final draft, which was done a little bit, I'm going to have to scroll through the whole thing. Shut your eyes for a minute while I get to this final, though, week 13. It's going to take a while to get here. Her final draft, I'm not grading on the blogs because there are obviously privacy issues connected to that. So I do ask students to post their final draft on the blog, and she's posted it as a separate post, probably week 5. Let me guess. No, here's a revision, reflection about the revisions that she made, and here's the final version of the essay. She posted it here to archive the final draft, to save it, not for grading purposes. You'll notice if there aren't any comments here, because what she did, in addition to posting it on the draft on the blog, to save it so that she'd have a final version. Every semester, there are some students who are trying to get their portfolios together at the end of the semester, and if they haven't saved their essays, or if something happens to a computer, whatever, if you have it saved on a computer and then your computer crashes, you potentially lose that. Well, with the blogs, it's a way to sort of put things in the cloud so that even if something happens to your computer, your essay is still retrievable. And also, other people may have read your rough draft and be curious to see what you did with the commentary they made, if they did a peer review, and they might be curious and want to see your final draft. So the blogs become a way to collect up the different versions of the work that you did, along with some thoughts, reflections about the choices that you made through the writing process, that will be helpful, I think, for you to think about your writing, to think about the writing process. And in a practical sense, it'll be helpful because at the end of the semester, when you get your portfolio together, one of the things you'll be doing is making doing a cover letter that talks about the pieces and talks about your process. And you'll have that information all collected up on the blog in a kind of nice, neat way. Okay, so if we go back to the syllabus here, so the final drafts, for grading purposes, I ask students to email me final drafts, and what I'll do is make comments on them using the comment feature in Word generally, and the grades will be on email drafts that I'll then email back to you with comments in the margin, and then the grade will be up at the top of the page. Informal work for the online class will be posted on the blog generally. For the face-to-face class, it may be things that you hand in class. Some of those may be just handwritten. Some may be word processed if it's something that you're doing over. You bring it home. You're not doing it right on the spot. But I'll let you know whether handwritten, for what assignments handwritten is okay. And there's some grading information. The other thing I wanted to point out is in this grade breakdown, one thing is that the portfolio that you'll do at the end of the semester, there's some information on that further down in the syllabus, will be a portion of your grade. So in effect, of these 5 essays, you're going to pick 3 to put in the portfolio, and there's a little bit of a sense of double counting what are your better essays there. And then there's revision that you have a chance to do at the end of the semester that will factor into this portfolio grade. But the one I wanted to explain is this punctuality of work. This is a system that I borrowed from one of my colleagues. The issue is that one of the main goals of the course, one of the main things I want to communicate, is the fact that the writing process is really about revision. It's about getting something down on the page and then not thinking that it has to be finished and done and carved in stone or set in cement, whatever, that it's finished the first thing you get down on the page, but that you, in the writing process, unlike the talking process, you have the opportunity to consider and reconsider what you've said in order to make it better. So really becoming a better writer involves embracing this idea that writing gives you the opportunity for revision. Um, and so in the organization of the course, there'll be generally at least two due dates for a particular essay. One will be for the rough draft and one will be for the final draft. Now the rough draft is not going to be graded. So there's no penalty involved in not getting a rough draft in on time, really, except for this punctuality part that I'll explain in a minute. When I first started teaching, I had students bring rough drafts into class, and students swapped papers and put comments on them. And I had the experience too mmany times of having a date where we're going to do a peer review and having 2 students or 3 students bring in drafts. So it doesn't, this idea of embracing the process of revision doesn't work if students don't get rough drafts done. If you wait and just do a final draft and turn that in a traditional sort of sense of you're just grading the final draft, that's where the grade will go. But the student will have lost the opportunity to get some feedback on their writing, and they will have lost the opportunity to sort of let that, what they've been writing set, let it cool off, and then come to it with fresh eyes and consider how they could make it better. And they really don't get to experience that revision process. And if very few students have done rough drafts, other students don't have the opportunity to practice giving feedback to other people. So the whole system falls apart if rough drafts aren't done on reasonably timely manner. So this is a little, 10% of your grade is this idea of getting your rough drafts in on time. So for each rough draft, there'll be a due date. If your rough draft is posted by that date, you'll get a point. If it isn't, you'll get a 0. So it's a 1 or a 0. Occasionally I'm softy enough to give a 0.5 if you're a day or 2 late. But generally this is a little bit of a stick or carrot, I'm not sure which, in order to encourage people to get their rough drafts done on time. If you're late on an essay, it's not going to sink your grade. But if you're chronically late on every single essay, it is 10% of your grade. So that means your grade will be lowered 1 letter grade, basically. I will try to build in, especially as we get towards more complicated essays, I may build in several different dates or several different times when I'll give punctuality points for work, and I'll let you know about that. But don't forget about this. Again, if you're late for a rough draft or 2, it's not fatal, but chronic lateness is a problem. Now, I know people have complicated lives, and I know procrastination is a problem with the writing for a lot of writers. So I don't expect perfection, but just do the best you can and just keep that in the back of your mind. For final drafts, I do take off, knock you down a notch for each day that something's late. Basically, that means if your essay is more than 2 weeks late, the A that you would have got has dropped down practically to an F. So, do the best you can to stay on time. You do get 1 extension. Students forget about that. So keep that in mind. If you can't turn something in on time, you just need to let me know by midnight of when the essay is due. So before the due date of the due date and time of the essay, that the essay is going to be late. You don't need to tell me why, but you tell me when you'll have it done. This is sort of on a workplace sort of model where if you can't get the project done for the boss, you need to give an alternate deadline and that you can meet. Week of the original due date, I would say that's somewhat flexible depending on circumstances. Obviously, if you're in the hospital for some terrible thing is happening, that there'd be some flexibility there. The most important thing is to stay in communication with me and with all the rest of your instructors as things come up. Okay, I think that explains how work is going to be passed back and forth, and how feedback will be given. Um, you'll get grades on your essays on the essay itself when I email it back to you. I'm going to try to set up the grade book in e-learning. I haven't done that very much. Usually I've been using an iPad app for grading. So either I'll let you know by next week how I'm going to do that. The iPad app that I use does allow me to email grades out to students. So if I stick with that, I will try to send out grades every couple weeks, or I can send them out to you upon request as well. Or if they're in e-learning, you'll be able to access them, and I'll explain how to do that. Okay, I think that's it for the basics. If you have any further questions or want to get together to talk about anything, please let me know.